This magazine had a long journey to come here. While destroying the ecosystem, a lot of energy was used to turn the tree into paper and to print words on it. I only read the magazine for a couple of minutes, then I never looked at it again. I thought about recycling the magazine, then I had a better idea. I could reuse it. My mother taught this to me, and now I'm sharing it with you. A piece of paper can only be recycled 7 times. So instead, we can reuse papers to expand the paper's life. I put references below, so if you are further interested in this concept, please check it out. Also, please send me photos via email. Show me how you recycled paper. Stay tuned! Bye!